girls. Today we're going to do our homework for lesson 6, what we've been learning about subtraction. And we've learned about subtracting single digit numbers from multiples of 10 within 100. Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're going to do the abstract level of subtraction. Okay, so we need to know what it means to take out 10 and why we do it. So what we're going to do right now is practice taking out 10 from 40. So what we do is we take out 10 and how much is left? 30. So what we just created was a number bond. 40 is our total, 10 and 30 are our parts because 10 plus 30 equals 40. Or we could say 40 minus 30 equals 10. Or we can say 40 minus 10 equals 30. Okay, let's take out 10 from 50. We're left with 40. Let's take 10 from 70. We're left with 60. Let's take 10 from 60. We're left with 50. Let's take 10 from 80. And we're left with 70. And there's a reason why we practice this, okay? So we're going to use taking 10 away so that we can solve bigger equations like 20 minus 9. Okay, so first what we're going to do now is we're going to practice our partners of 10. So when we have 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 9 and 1 are partners of 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 and 4, partners of 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 and 9 is partners of 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so these two, taking out 10 and solving for partners of 10, is going to help us solve the bigger equations. So what we did right here was we took out our 20 and we made a number bond and we broke it up into parts. The reason why we did this is because when we have our ones and we're trying to subtract our ones, we do not have enough to subtract 9 ones from 0. So what you have to do is you have to pull 10 out of 20. That way we can do 10 minus 9 equals 1. Then what you do is you take your ones and you take your tens and you put it back together, and then that makes 11. So 20 minus 9 equals 11. Let's try it over here. Take out 10, and then we have 20 left. So the reason why we took out 10 was because we cannot take 9 from 0. So we have to remove 10 so we can borrow from it. So we're going to do 10 minus 9 equals 1. Then you get the leftover 10s, which is 20. You add it to the leftover ones, which is 1, and your answer is 21. Okay, let's try some more. Take 40 and take 10, and you're left with 30. So then we do 10 minus 8 equals 2. Now we're going to take our leftover 10s and our leftover ones, and we'll just put it back together. And we have 30 plus 2 equals 32. So 40 minus 8 equals 32. Let's try 50 minus 8. Take away 10 first thing because we don't have enough ones to take 8 from. We can't do 0 minus 8, so we have to take a 10. So we have 40 left, so now we can do 10 minus 8 equals 2. And then we take our leftovers 10s, which is 40, our leftover ones, which is 2, and add it together, which makes 42. 50 minus 8 equals 42. Okay, let's do 60 minus 7. Take out 10, and you have 50. Okay, so then we can do 10 minus 7 equals 3. So then we take our leftover 10s, which is 50, with our leftover ones, which is 3, put it back together, and we have 53. Let's do 70. We take off 10 from 70, and we're left with 60. So we take that 10 away, so we can do 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. That's our leftover ones now. We're going to add it with our leftover tens. 60 plus 3 equals 63. So when you think about it, 70 minus 7 equals 63. Okay, let's try letter G. 80 minus 6. Well, we don't have enough ones to take away from 0, so we're going to have to break our 80 up into a number line. We take off 10, and then we have 70 left. 10 minus 6 equals 4. And then we have our leftover tens, and we add it with our 4. 70 plus 4 equals 74. 80 minus 6 equals 74. Let's do the same thing with 90. 90 and take away 10. Okay, so then we'll do 10 minus 5 equals 5. Take your leftover. I'm sorry, this should have been 80. Okay, so now we're going to do 80 plus 5 equals 85. So 90 minus 5 equals 85. So we're going to go to number 4, and we're going to explain why does 10 minus 4 help us solve 30 minus 4. So we know that 10 minus 4 equals 6. Well, how would that help us solve a bigger equation like 30 minus 4? Well, when we break our 30 into a number bond and we take 10 away, do the take 10 strategy, we have 20 left. So right here, the reason why we need to know this is because look at this. We're going to get our 10, we're going to get our 4, and we're going to do 10 minus 4. And 10 minus 4 equals 6. So since we knew that, it can easily help us solve 30 minus 4. And then we take our ones and we take our leftover tens and we add them. 20 plus 6 equals 26. So 30 minus 4 equals 26.